Operating system test addition, and the first part, Java, like this is introduction operating system schedule, process thread concurrency and CPU scheduling is the first part. And after this, synchronization deadlock come out, and also file system interface and like virtual memory. This is also important at the late part, virtual machine into virtual machine. But right now this is the first part overview. I already bought this book, but like I'm just split it. And this is the computer and interrupt driven IO start, and how modern computer system work, CPU, memory, and device. Three, in between device and memory, there's DMA. That's important. And also dual core system, and there's like several system design, memory layout, and this is how transition from user to kernel mode. This is also important. I think like there's some idea maybe like put AI in the kernel. Yeah, put AI in the kernel seems very interesting idea. Characteristic of various type of storage, and after that, like there's linked list, like some cloud computing, some ideas come out, and also this is about the CPU, and move to device controller. Yeah, the device controller connected with like outside device, and after that, operating system service. File management system layer, monolithic approach, architectural typical microkernel, and there's some question like application programming interface and application binary interface, API and ABI. And there's concept of process come out, like very important picture come out, which is text section, data section, heap section, and stack section, and like process state, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. And yeah, this will be also important, like from text data to stack, like how does it actually work. Malloc part is heap part, yeah, allocating, and argc, argv part. And yeah, you can fork it, you can make child process using fork system call. And if you keep going, there's kernel and IPC methods passing system. There's something very important thing come out, so I want to write down memo. Wait a second. CPC part and IPC managing part, I would say it's also important. Yeah, there's a buffer, message passing and buffer come out, buffering. Message passing, buffering. Example of IPC system. IPC and pipe system come out. It's very important in Pint OS Project 2 type system. Yeah, I don't remember this anyway. And pipe between parent process and children process, child process, and also there's practice questions. What will be the value of line A, and J reach or not? Like how many processes made and processes so on. Communication via pipe, kernel data structure. Kernel also has data structure, right? Mixed list and so on. Thread and concurrency. This is most important. Single thread process and multi-thread process. If you see, then code data files are shared, and each of thread have registers, stack, and program counter. Obviously, super important. And yeah, user thread, kernel thread, how they can like map each other is also important topic. There's thread pool come out, and like fork chain parallelism. It really depends on each of the programming language. It really differs a lot, like how thread concurrency work is, TEB. Yeah, how many unique processes are created, how many threads are created is very important question here. And also passing parameter to each thread. Passing parameter to each thread also, it will be probably different by each of the programming languages. Like for Python, they don't really support multi-threading, CPU scheduling. Now it's CPU scheduling, preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling. This is really important. The role of dispatcher. Shortage buffer scheduling, multi-level request scheduling. There's a lot of scheduling mechanisms come out around robin scheduling. Multi-level feedback there. Like each of scheduling has pip and first in a sense of like how you distribute the resources. Latency, you can check latency. POSIX real-time scheduling API. I told you it's important concept. Summary, and there's like some Gantt charts you can do it. Process synchronizes. I already did it. Later, see you.